Welcome back to another Trade Journal video. This is Trade Journal number 26. And before I jump into the trades that I had for this week and what I got set up for next week, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can stay up to date on all of my trades. So jumping into the trades that I had for this week, the first one I had was on Moderna, so Mrna. I've been in a covered call on this position. I own the stock at this blue line, which is $125. And last week I sold a call at the $125 strike price as well for a max profit of $450. And in the previous video and last week's trades, I had to roll this position. So my actual net profit on this is about $287, and this position expires today. And as you can see, Mrna is significantly higher than 125, so these shares will get taken away, and I get to make the total profit of $287 for this week. Pretty happy with this trade. Happy to finally be out of this Mrna position. I think it does have some upside, but I think there are better positions where my money can be put instead. Overall, I've made $904 running the wheel strategy on Mrna over about the last 4 weeks. So pretty happy with that. Comes out to be about 7.2%. And maybe I'll look at getting back into Mrna depending on how price action moves next week. The other trade that I had for this week is on SNDL. This is a cannabis stock. I am doing another covered call. I own the shares at 70 cents, and I sold a call at the $1 strike price for a max profit of $60. And even though the dollar amount might seem small, it is an 8.5% return in 1 week, which is really good. So happy with that trade. And as you can see, the price has kind of gone down a little bit. So my shares won't get taken away, and I'll just get to keep the full $60 for selling those contracts. So overall for this week, I had $287 on Mrna and $60 on SNDL for a total profit this week of $347. And now I'll jump into what I have set up for next week. Given that the Mrna position is going to close out, I've decided to start a new position in TQQQ. This is a triple leveraged ETF. And as you can see in this week, TQQQ really made a strong move up and broke over the 100 level. So my position for this upcoming week is I sold a cash secured put right here at this red line, which is at the 97.5 strike price for a max profit of $200. And this will expire next Friday on the 29th. So if the price stays above this, I get to keep my full $200 premium and nothing happens. If the stock price comes below this, I get to keep my $200 premium and I'll get assigned the shares. And in this situation, kind of depending on what causes the drop or how fast it's dropping, I think I'll be okay getting assigned the shares, and I'll just continue to sell covered calls on the other side, or maybe another cash secured put to try and average down the price. I also took another position on SNDL, again selling the $1 strike price for a max profit of $20 for this upcoming week. And the reason the max profit is much lower is just because I wasn't able to get a fill for 5 cents per contract and was only able to get 2 cents. But even making $20 on this position, it's still about 2% a week. So just going to keep selling calls until the price recovers. In addition to these, I am keeping an eye on Workhorse. I kind of want to see how this price plays out on Monday, and I might jump into a cash secured put on this position around the 22 level, but depends on how the price opens up on Monday and what the premiums look like. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those down below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can stay up to date on all of my trades, and I'll see you all next week.